Kanitha wa Redeemed Gospel Church ugite watho uria wendekithitio ni thirikari wa kumaramata uri na mathenya maingi na uguo kuria umurikwo keri. Muthikabu munene wa kanitha uyu John Kitonga augite kuri na ikundi nyingi cia kurumburia urugamiriri wa makanitha ta NCCK, Evangelical Alliance of Kenya, NCCB gatagati kaingi na uguo thirikari ndibati gukorwo ikiingirira makanitha.
We want to say as a Redeemed Gospel Church, number one, that we feel that bill needs to be relooked at more keenly because there are a number of issues that we feel we are uncomfortable with. Number one, we want to request that the umbrella bodies be given more power for self-regulation. For example, we are part of the Evangelical Alliance of Kenya, EAK, and we know there are other bodies like NCCK, among others. And we are saying, because they cover the evangelicals, the EAK, they should be given time and given the powers to be able to regulate churches, especially the evangelical churches, which we are founder members.
Aritie ri mwena wa Nyahururu kaunti-ini ya Laikipia keheri-ini ka igongona ria kwamura makiria ma hunjia 100 aria matanyitwo gutungatira kanitha uyu ikiro-ini itiganite. Kahinda-ini rio kau mwambiriria wa kanitha uyu Archbishop Arthur Kitonga oritie Akenya kuhimbiria na kuhunjia thayu makiria kahinda gaka ka mambura ma thiguku ya Christmas.
My prayer is for peace in this nation. In our 47 counties, we have been praying for peace, peace, peace. And we need to stand with the people in leadership and continue to pray for the nation. And when we pray all of us together in unity, we will not see problem here and there.
Oho, no orite ateti gukorwo muhari-ini wa mbere kuhunjia urumwe na wiguano. Ngiribota Inooro TV kuma Nyahururu kaunti-ini ya Laikipia, njitagwo Peter Mwangi.
Sasa clap of praise, pokeeni salamu za baba askofu.